A very good morning, dear students. I hope all are doing well, children. Last week we had completed with the lesson number 9, the Maratha War of Independence. And in that lesson, we had learned about the Shivaji's son, how they fought with different rulers such as Portuguese, Adil Shahi, Qutub Shahi, and they they try to maintain the Swaraj that we had learned last week. We had learned about his second son, Shivaji Maharaj's second son, that is the Raja Ram Maharaj, who managed to unite Marathas Sardars by his kind and accommodative nature. We also learn about Maharani Tarabai, the capable wife of Raja Ram Maharaj, who came forward to lead of the Maratha War of Independence that we had learned last week, children. And we learned the death of Aurangzeb in 1707 at Ahmednagar marked the end of the Maratha War of Independence. Thus, 18th century is described as the century of the Marathas. So this is all what we had learned, children. Let us check your assignment, what I had given your assignment in the Google form. Check the answers, children. I had given you the MCQ question number 1, which was under whose charge did Aurangzeb place Kolhapur? And the correct answer is Mukarrab Khan. Question number 2 was capture Sambhaji Maharaj at Sangameshwar. Again the answer is same, Mukarrab Khan. Question number 3, besiege Rajgarh after the death of Sambhaji Maharaj, and the correct answer is Zulfikar Khan. Question number 4 is led the Maratha War of Independence after the death of Raja Ram Maharaj, and the correct answer is Maharani Tarabai. Question number 5, contemporary Mughal historian Dash describe Maharani Tarabai as an intelligent and knowledgeable, and the correct answer is Khafi Khan. So this was all what assignment I had given, all the answers, expected answer. Some children are still have not completed their assignment. They have not done, children. Make sure that you complete your assignment. Otherwise, you will be marked as absent. So complete your assignment and submit as soon as possible. Now, children, today we are going to begin with the new lesson in history, that is conflict with the Mughals, lesson number 6. And in this we are going to learn about Shahister Khan's invasion. We are going to learn about the Surat campaign. We are going to learn about Jai Singh's invasion and other incident, that is the Agra visit and escape of Shivaji Maharaj. All these 4 incidents we are going to cover in this unit. We all know that Shivaji Maharaj had successfully fought the Adil Shahi, but for expanding the Swaraj, conflict with the Mughal was inevitable. The Mughal posed a great threat to the Swaraj even as it began to expand. Thus, Maharaj triumphed over the threat too. He regained his forts and territories from the Mughals. So Shivaji Maharaj fought Mughals very, we can say very hardship, we can say, or very bravely, and he regained all the forts which he had lost under various treaties from the Mughals. He got himself crowned and he took up a campaign of the south. All this we are going to learn in this lesson, that is lesson number 6, conflict with the Mughals. So I have told you we are going to cover 4 incident in this lesson about the Shahister Khan's invasion, about the Surat campaign, then Jai Singh's invasion and Agra visit and escape. All this we are going to cover in this unit, children. Make sure that you watch the videos carefully and try to understand the content. Have a nice day. Thank you.